In this particular video, we're talking about this particular beautiful project called Interlink. And if you're able to watch the particular video to the very end, I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to run the Interlink testnet project. Yes, so that we're able to detect bug for this particular project. And likely, there may be some other rewards that will come in if we're able to do this particular thing. And the much I so much love about this particular Interlink testnet transaction, which I'll be sharing with you, is that is only applicable for those who are very active. So if you are not active mind particular project, or you won't even be qualified to run this particular tax that I'll be sharing with you. So before that, let me quickly mine let me quickly mine so that it will be able to complete my strike, and I'll be able to share with you everything which I need to share with you in this particular video. So the first thing is that if you want to register, I'll be dropping my referral link in the front of this particular video and every other video which you need to have for you to be able to get started with the project. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so get anytime I will upload another video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free. I'll be dropping the link in the front of this particular video. So what you need to do after you have logged in on your app, you come to this particular place called wallet, you tap on it. I've created a video on how you'll be able to create your wallet and every other thing, which I'll be dropping also in this one of this particular video. So let me quickly enter my password. So I've entered my password. Let me tap on unlocked. So this is it now. This is the unlock. I've actually unlocked it. Let me tap something like for you so that you could see that I've actually be getting the token. Let me type ITL. Let me type ITL. You could see here, you could see something here. It say ITL testnet. You could see I have already 0.01, which I can also be transacting with other Interlink user. And if you're able to detect bug, we'll also be notifying the community. So if you want to get started, this is what you need to do, because if you haven't started, you won't be seeing this. So I will be doing this with some of my community members. So if you are in my community and you are watching this particular video and you are ready for us to actually test this, to send this particular testnet token among ourselves, just let me know. This particular token doesn't worth anything, just a testnet token, just to look out for bugs and report back to the community. So you actually look at this particular thing. So if you see this particular one that say hand free ITL testnet token, now you tap on it. You tap on it. After you tap on, if you have connected your wallet already, your wallet will be there automatically. You could see mine here. Mine is already connected automatically. And you could see it say Interlink Faucet. It say receive 0.01 per request on testnet. You could see, let me read for you here. It say the wallet must be linked to a face verification. I'm sharing that with you. Interlink ID to use the Faucet. Each wallet can only claim from the Faucet once the connected ID meets minimum mining 3 strike. That means not every 3 times. That means you have maybe you claim around 5 in the morning, around 9, around 1. That is 3 mining strike. Then you can come and request for your claim. So what you need to just do, you could see this fastnet, the Faucet address. This is the network. You could see it's testnet. This is the payout. Now I'll just tap on this request tITL, then you see it, the magic will happen. Okay, they say you need to calculate. That means I still need one, maybe by 1. If not, that is how it will be added to that previous one. So what is the Interlink Fastnet? Say claim testnet token from the Interlink Fastnet to interact with the Interlink testnet. The Faucet provides token for new users and refill empty accounts. So what are the eligibility? These are the eligibility to use the Faucet. User must meet the following. Number 1, face verification. Only wallet links to a face verification Interlink ID are eligible to Faucet, which is the first one. Minimum strike required. An Interlink ID and 1 Faucet ticket. When your mining strike meets the minimum of 3, you can use this ticket to Faucet for any single wallet associated with the specific Interlink ID. When you use the ticket with delete, and you need to repeat at least the consecutive 3 times mining strike to earn your ticket. How do I get token? This is how you get token. Subject to eligibility requirement. Each wallet can claim from the Interlink Testnet provided that no other wallet linked to the same ID as claim with the ticket. So I still have one mining strike, which is this today, and this past 9 now. That means after one, I will be able to link. So let me show you the wallet the face verification that you are actually talking about. So when you come to this particular place, you come to this particular place, come to this place. That means for those who haven't, you come to this particular place. Then you can type on this particular woman, I am a woman. So when you tap on it, there's some face verification that you actually do. Mine is not actually clicking because I've actually done mine. And if that is not actually working, you can come to this particular referral section. You tap on it. Then under there, you come to this particular place called the woman hash. When you come to this particular place, you fill the necessary informations that is actually needed here for you to complete your woman verification. Then after you have done that, that is when you'll be able to go back to your wallet to complete the necessary things which you needed to do. So if I come to my wallet section here, so in my next video, I'll be sharing how we'll be able to send the particular ITL token within ourselves so that we'll be able to use it to interact for us to be able to check bug, and if there's any reward at the end of this particular thing, so that we'll be able to get it. So this is what I have for you in this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you can will upload another video like this. Thank you and bye bye for now.